This was on the oh my god, the back of the TV right here. That's all I did was wipe off the top right here and then this part right here. Ugh. Why is this place so freaking haunted? Whoa, guys! How many of them are in here? You guys know what spirit orbs are? Yeah, the room's haunted too. Whoa! How many? Okay, whoa! There's some big ones in here today. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. They seem to be like right around me most of the time. Whoa, hi guys. What are you doing, man? You like attached to me or something? Hello. Wow. Okay, yeah, so this, yep. That was in my lungs, man. That's fucking disgusting, and I don't know how it's my responsibility. Whoa. Guys, give me a break. Okay, signing off. Too many spirits around me. Okay, bye.